So by default, what happens is that your computer has a default name, and especially when your computer is in a network, if you want to identify your computer well, then having a computer name is very, very essential. So to change out the computer name that you may have, you can go to the start menu and then you can go to settings right here. So once you go around onto the settings, you can go around into system. So once you go to system, you can click on about right here. And once you click on about, you can see your device name right here. So it's desktop and certain numbers, as you can see right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and click on rename this PC. And once you do that, what happens is that it allows you to change out your desktop name. So I'm just going to go around and rename this to TutorTube. So I'm just going to go around, rename this to, let's say I'm just going to go around and keep it something like this, TutorTube right here. So this is going to be the new computer name. So I'm going to go around and click on next. And what happens is that now it'll change out the name of the computer to TutorTube, as you can see right here. So what you have to do is after renaming the computer, you have to restart the computer for the name to actually get changed. So I'm just going to go around and click on restart later. And here you can see that this will be the new computer name after you restart out your computer. So that is how you can change the computer name inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.